Meaning of diazepam.
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 Diazepam. Diazepam is a medication primarily used to treat anxiety, seizures, muscle spasms, and alcohol withdrawal. It belongs to the class of drugs known as benzodiazepines, which work by enhancing the activity of a neurotransmitter in the brain called GABA. Diazepam has a calming and sedative effect on the body and can help to reduce feelings of nervousness, tension, and agitation. It may also be used as a pre-medication before surgery or medical procedures. However, it can be habit-forming if used for prolonged periods and should only be taken as prescribed by a healthcare professional.